Good day there, friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day. This is the season, ready or not. Tell you a funny story. Months ago, I submitted an application, sent it to the North Pole, applying for a Santa's position. And they came back right before the holiday season. Stamp rejected. Gave me enough time to inquire why. I was told I have to grow a beard, a white beard, and worst of all, I have to grow a belly. I thought for a second, oh well, maybe just for once. But nah, so I settled for the rejection. Anyway, it's a season to smile and be jolly. So here I am. So today, my friends, I'm back in the kitchen doing just a little prep for show what I'm doing. I'm gonna make some juice, fresh, homemade juice. I'll show you what's in it. So what I'm doing here, I'm using fresh organic beets, carrots, and some apples. I'm gonna wash these, clean them up, and they started to blend. And immediately after that, I will be prepping roast leg of lamb. This will be a simple recipe: salt and pepper, a little bit of cracked peppercorn, of course, kosher salt, placed on a bed of onions, rosemary, and cloves of garlic. That's it. I'm gonna pour some beef stock on there, cover it, and let's see what it turns out to be. All right, in a bit, I'll be doing the prep. So I'm just going to use a fruit scrubber to wash these beets and carrots. I'm not going to peel them. I want everything that the earth provides. Keep all the nutrients. That Santa story, by the way, I told earlier about the job application. One thing we all should do, laugh a little bit more. Gotta be able to laugh after your own joke. Be silly. Just stay off the edge of insanity. That's all. So my friends, turning 65 in a week or so, these are some of the habits. That was fresh beets, organic beets, couple of apples, just to lime the taste, and carrots, all naturally sweet. Cheers. Delicious. And as you know, beets, it's good for the heart. My holiday season drink. Versus sorrel. I love sorrel. Sorrel is normally the tradition, especially for Jamaicans and the people in the Caribbean. But with sorrel, you have to add sugar and a little bit of ginger, and whatever the spice you add in there to give it that fantastic taste. My daughter makes a very, very good sorrel drink. But in order to maintain low sugar, this is naturally sweet, and so that's the way to go. Cheers.
Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I don't need a fancy watch. You can give the elves a break. No, you can't make it in the shop. You can't put it on your sleigh. You know me so well that nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Save the wrapping paper, your ribbon and bow. I don't need that extra stuff. Oh, I just wanna fall in love. Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. You know me so well, and nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Fall in love. Just wanna fall in love. Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas.
So my friends, this is just a simple sweet potato mash with honey glaze and a little bit of maple syrup. I'm gonna chop that, sprinkle it on top, and a little bit of topping. A nice, simple, delicious, wholesome sweet potato. much it. Wholesome, wholesome. Sweet potato mash with walnut, glaze with honey and maple syrup. So my friends, I'll be doing a little bit of mango salsa for my leg of lamb. Ideally should have been mint. But I forgot to put mint on my shopping list. So I'm going to use cilantro, which may not be ideal because of the soapy taste, but hey, for color, it'll work.
Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I don't need a fancy watch. You can give the elves a break. No, you can't make it in the shop. You can't put it on your sleigh. You know me so well that nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Save the wrapping paper, your ribbon and bow. I don't need that extra stuff. Oh, I just wanna fall in love. Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. You know me so well, and nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Fall in love. Just wanna fall in love.
This should have been lime, but so this is plan B, and should also be red onion, but I ditch the onion. So let's use something that is non-screechy. So a little bit of red bell pepper. Actually, to give this a little bit of crank, I probably should have used a Scotch bonnet as well, which I probably will do to kind of spice it up. That's it, my friends. Our mango salsa is ready. So, my friends, I believe this is ready. And it is. Look at that. Oh, super, super. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna drain this off a little bit. I'm gonna plate it and make a little bit of sauce, or make a little bit of sauce and then plate it. So that at this point, it is good to go. Yes, my roast-legged lamb falling off the bones. All right, almost there. So before I blend this, what I've done here is to use a paper towel to kind of soak up excess oil from the top. That way when I make the sauce, I'm pretty much using just the juice. And as you can tell, really what's coming up here is pure oil. So that's one of the remedy. And let's get a little bit more out of there. Okay. All right. So go ahead and blend it. Then strain it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and blend this, my friends. Strain it, and all I have to do is to add a little thickening agent. And the sauce is literally ready. With this process, all it is straining. This is really delicious. I'm gonna add ever so slightly a little bit of a thickening agent, and perhaps just a touch more broth, or actually use the broth to mix the thickening agent. And that's it. So my friends, I'm going to do a little bit of beef broth. just a tad of cornstarch. I don't want it to be too thick. And a little bit of browning sauce. Just a tad. Give it that nice rich brown color. And off in the pot it goes. So my friends, after toiling, dinner is ready. Roast leg of lamb and a bit of onion, rosemary and garlic, roasted asparagus, mango salsa, gravy from the lamb, and the sweet potato mash with honey and the maple syrup glaze. That is it, my friends. Thanks for coming along with me. Thanks for cooking with me. So there you have it, my friends. It is a labor of love. Something I thoroughly enjoy. Thanks for coming along with me. Before I go, I think I need to grab a glass of wine. How's that? So I can cheer you off. Once again, my friends, thanks for coming along with me. Before I go, cheers. Be safe out there. I wish you a vibrant and prosperous, healthy 2022. Cheers. Yummy. My friends, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until then, this is Jamaican on the Move, saying one love, peace, love in my friends.